There it goes. That is chemistry. Let me go in Canvas. If I switch this to y'all's view, and some of you have already turned in your notebooks because I had them open over the weekend. Hold on. Let me. Like I said, you've got a test that you need to do because you weren't here. You've got a test that you need to make up that's only open for a short period of time. So right there, and there is no actual opener today. It's just letting you know what's going on. This notes list, and so like I said, some of you have you've already gone through this and done it. This is the long list of what we did this 6 weeks. Come on, computer, you can do it. I got faith in you. This particular one, the understanding geological time, this was the very last thing we did at the end of last 6 weeks. And if I go into my drive, where's my drive? I don't think my drive is open. Drive. Okay, so just to let you see what it looks like, because that's the one that people are like, I don't have that. We didn't do it. Okay, that understanding geological time, that's this one. And you may have put it in your second 6 weeks folder, even though I told you I wasn't going to grade this one until this 6 weeks. But there are 20 things that, I got to find the right thing here now. Nope. There it is. There are 20 different things that should be in your drive. These last two, these were the ones that we did Thursday and Friday. I'm going to count those in with this 6 weeks because there are a few questions on your 6 weeks exam. The CBA, it's not a semester test, it's a 6 weeks exam that come from these two. This is the order that I gave them to you in, but of course you're just going to say a copy of. Your thing is your drive is going to organize them alphabetically. So if that bothers you, then just go back and like number them 1 through 20 in the front, and it'll put them in order. If you forgot how to do this, how to back into Canvas, how to do a digital submission, this link, this YouTube link is from the first 6 weeks. So just replace first 6 weeks with third 6 weeks. I don't want all of your stuff from the first and the second 6 weeks. So you should have created folders. If you have not done this, create a third 6 weeks folder, and you should dump everything in there. I go ahead and separate my stuff out. So I put my notes in one. I put my particular presentation, even though there was only one, it was one huge 300. Yes.
When are the notes grades like completely due? Are they due on Thursday?
Okay, I was just about to get to that.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm close. I just haven't gotten there quite yet. So if I go back into here, you do have a turn-in link. Okay. When you do get your stuff into the right folder, you need to don't do the share, don't do the person share. Make sure you get the link. And then once again, you need to make sure, I think you guys only have the ASL option. You need to make sure that you take it off of restricted. And then you copy the link. And when you're done, you're going to, when it comes time to, I got way too many tabs. Nope, wrong button. Here we go. When you go to submit it, you're going to paste that link right here, and then you're going to submit it. Your notebooks, the sooner you get them in, the better off it's going to be. It takes me a while to grade all of these. You have today to work on them. If you've been doing paper copies, you're going to have to somehow upload, either scan them, or there's apps with your phone where you can, I think Evernote is the one that most of you use, where you take pictures of it and it turns it into a PDF. But you need to send me these digitally. Well, 80% of you have to anyways, because you're either quarantined or you're remote. I have to have these turned in by class time Wednesday, because I need to be able to go into Canvas and I have to check to make sure that, in fact, I need to change, leave student view. I need to change this. I need to make sure that I can access, what is going on with my computer? Leave student view. I have to be able to check to make sure I can open it. So I need to edit this. So It's technically, okay, so I'm going to change this to 4. It's technically due on the 16th, which is Wednesday, class period, just so I can check it. If you have plus 1 day, you technically have till the 17th. The only problem is if you wait, if you have that extended time and you wait until the end of the day at like midnight on the 17th, and then I can't open it over the break, there's a very good chance that you're not going to respond to my email requesting access. And it's a test grade. Now, the other thing that I needed to, if I have to, I'll share my screen again, but I need to switch this over to here. Some of you, oh, my ear just started ringing. That's weird. Some of you missed the test from the 9th. Okay, so now let me go into that. I have so many different people in so many different places. There's a 45-minute timer on my tests. I have had some remote students, I think, opened it and then didn't finish it, and it timed you out, and you got a 0 for it. I'm not in 5th period. I'm in 1st period. Let's see. Sorry, my computer is just slow. That's what happens when I have like 15 tabs open. All right, so the students that missed the test on the 9th, well, Alex knows about it. He's not in here. Otis, if you're online, Mauricio, if you're online, and then Erica, yours is the retest, and you're in here. Those are closing. They are closing today. And then the only other things that are open would be the openers and the, oh shoot, I don't remember if that assignment is locked or not. Let me check it. Let me check it. Okay, it's still open. So if you did not do the opener or the assignment from Thursday, that closes today. Come on, computer. I got faith in you. You can do this. All right, so I am missing the, well, he's not in here. The opener from both days from Otis, the opener from both days from Caden, Taylor, opener both days, Braylon, the assignment from Friday, both things from both days from Erica, Courtney, both things both days, Kale, the assignment from Thursday, both things from Decker from Thursday, Colton, the opener from both days. Now, I went and put every single grade that I have in the parent portal. If you're wanting to know what your grade is, don't base it off of Canvas. Base it off of parent portal. I even put in the openers that you've done. If you did a certain percentage of it, you got credit for it. If you haven't been doing them, or if you only did 1 or 2, you're probably not going to get a good grade for that. So for you, since you just walked back in, you are missing, so that test, okay, that you, but also the opener and the assignment from both Thursday and Friday. Like, they're not there. And I know that you were testing, I understand that, but they have been open. The one on the 10th has been open now for 5 days. Okay, so if it should be in the instructions. Should be all in the instructions. And if for some reason the images don't load, which they should, that's what that link is for. Nobody had a problem with the pictures these last couple times. Let's see, what else was I going to tell you? We are going to review for the test tomorrow. I built a Kahoot. It's not all fancy. Your CBA, your 36 weeks test is, I believe, 30 questions long. Let me look. Let me get into it. Oh, I gotta love when everything's based off of technology and it's just slow. Okay, it is 30 questions long. It's all multiple choice. There are lots of images that are embedded in it. It's going to be taken through Eduphoria, which is the way that, not Canvas, or well, the link is through Canvas, but it's not a Canvas quiz test the way that most of my tests are. It's just done through a different program. You are supposed to take your CBA when you are told to, and for odds, that should be Wednesday, and even should be Thursday. I don't have the schedule in front of me, but I bet you it's in my email. Wait, I missed part of what. Do what now? I should, what I normally do is I record first period anyways, and then I upload it into Canvas. Yeah, if you need to do like another class, that's totally fine. Because I have Earth Space first, second, fifth, sixth, seventh. You just have to make sure that you're clicking on the right link because it's different. Like I have one that's separate from first and second, then fifth, sixth, seventh. I'm trying to think what else. I should have made a list of everything I needed to tell you, and I didn't do it.
Do we have a daily assignment today?
No. Okay, there is no daily assignment today. Okay, but if you hold on, let me check you again. Colton, you need to do those. Wait, is that Colton that's talking? Sounds like it.
Yeah.
Okay, those two openers that you did not do, each one that you do, getting up to the certain number that I'm cutting it off at is worth 20 points, 20 daily points. Well, not like on your average, but like on that particular daily grade that I'm taking for it. So, because I don't think you missed the test.
I made like a good grade on that. I made like an 80 something or whatever.
Okay. Because you did the last two assignments, and those are the only other things that are open.
Okay, so just the two daily
The openers.
Openers.
The openers, and then like I said, make sure that your notes, because it's a lot of them, that your notes are all organized into a drive and they're ready to go. Y'all, if you're ready to turn in your notebook, you're more than able to. The link is active. What's the matter? Not for the rest of this 6 weeks. We are done with it. And so if I put this back up here, which you have a link to these here, let me share my, let me get off of that. Let me share my screen again. I don't want to stop presenting. I need to double check my online attendance again too. Come on, computer. You can do it. Okay, so Alex, you have this in Canvas. You have this list right here. Okay, and this is the order that I gave them to you. Okay, it's a bunch of them. If I look in my drive, and there's literally 20 of them. Okay, and it is, I mean, not that I want you to go back and change it right now, but if y'all actually take your notes in a different color other than black, it makes it so much faster for me to check because I don't actually have to click on each one of these and open it up. I can actually see it from this screen if you've done them or not. You don't have to go back and change them though if you haven't done that. It just makes it so much easier on us. What? How do you change the color? When you go in, this, you could I mean, I personally don't like red, but I mean, you could type in whatever color you wanted to. Like if I change it to purple, it's this little A right here. I mean, I guess what I could do is like in the future when I make these skeletons is over on the side, I could just change the color for you. It's just, you may not like the color that I pick. But yeah, it makes it way faster for us to grade if you do that. And let me double check my online attendance again one more time. Okay, Alex is in here. Did not see Otis. Now, let me check. Okay, hold on. Where are the notes at? Where are the notes at? Chase, you mean where? Chase, everything is. Hold on, Chase. Are you still? Yes. Look, how have you not? Like, if I go to last week, they're right here. There's no like hard date on any of them because they're pages. All you have to do is click on it and then follow along. And then the notes themselves, that's what, if you have, for whatever reason, like you're sick or you have a doctor's appointment, that's what these are. I record every single day. Like this was, what? I mean, do what now? Let me see.
whenever I do the notes, like
Yes.
for example, this is the notes for today. Like let's say I put in file, and then I put move, and then put them on the folder.
Yeah.
And that's it. I don't have to do all the work. You know what I'm saying?
They're already in there. So all you have to do then is to move it. Yeah, just get your URL. Like make sure you change it from restricted to ASL. Otherwise, I can't see it. And then you paste that link into where you turn it in. Okay. So, anyways, I mean, this has been, y'all. It's been this way. Like I have organized my drive, or not my drive, my Canvas the same way every single day. I know it was a little bumpy in the very, very, very beginning of school because I had never used Canvas before and I was learning a whole new engine. So, I mean, it's literally the opener, the notes, like the copy that you're supposed to, it tells you to make a copy, the assignment that goes along with it, and then it takes me, I record first period almost always, unless if I forget to hit the button. And then I have to turn it into a YouTube and then I just upload it. So normally this is here, normally by fourth period. Let's see here. Now as far as, I don't remember everybody's grade off the top of my head, but your notes are a test grade. But it's been, like my Canvas has looked the same way. I mean, if I go back to, it's the same thing. The only thing that would be different is if we were reviewing or we had a test or there was a documentary or, because we haven't had any labs because I don't have the right equipment to be able to do any. Plus, we're told that you guys can't share and touch things. So let me get all this shut back down. Were there any other specific questions for those of you that are online that you wanted me to walk you through how to move things into a file, how to create a new folder, how to get the link to upload this into where you turn it in? Okay, then I'm going to, if you do have a question, just unmute yourself and you can ask.